My name is Eldin Rostom. I am co-founder of Diagnose and I am a Curtin graduate. I was born with a rare parasitic disease that caused right eye blindness and seizures, and I spent a lot of time in and out of hospital. And ever since I was a child, I had this huge sense of responsibility to give back and use science for good because I was saved using life-saving medications. After studying engineering, I had a few scholarships through a few programs that led the opportunity for me to start my company called Diagnose. At Diagnose, we use AI and protein signatures to match patients with breathing problems to the right life-saving medications so they can breathe better and live longer. Respiratory disease like asthma causes hundreds of preventable deaths in Australia every year, and we're working on devices to understand the patient's underlying biology to match them to the right treatment faster and also discover new therapies. I started the company in my in-laws' garage and honestly never thought we'd get so far. Some of the highlights include the first clinical trial, the first sale, the first patent. The journey has been incredible so far. Curtin gave me more than a degree. Engineering taught me how to solve problems, the motorsport team taught me teamwork, and the John Curtin Leadership Academy taught me how to serve and care for others. I'm a very impatient person by nature and want to get everything done quickly. And if there's one thing startups have taught me, it's about being patient and trusting the process. You need to enjoy the valleys as much as the mountaintops. They're preparing you for the journey ahead. I'm super grateful for this alumni award. I hope it inspires many people to use science for good. And there's so many people I'd like to thank, especially my spouse Rachel, who has been an absolute rock throughout this entire process. And even the times when I wanted to quit, she reminded me of who I was and why this journey was important. So one of the only reasons I'm alive today is because 75 years ago, a brilliant scientist named Gertrude Elion and her team discovered pyrimethamine to cure the disease that I was born with. And this drives my belief that science can save lives and shape destinies. And now more than ever, we need more people to use science to tackle the world's biggest problems for our future generations.